This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Ashley Ford Sales, your New Bedford Ford dealer since 1963 for new and used vehicle sales and service. We are located at 395 Mount Pleasant Street in New Bedford.